She's back already? I think she's taking them instead of like weaving them now. She's just getting them all and then gonna weave them later because that's fast. Look, say, can you see her? There she goes. Let's see how fast she comes back. I'm not going to stop recording for a minute. Did you see the bird? Look, she's almost got all the string now. It's almost all gone. Now she's just taking them, dropping them off, and coming back. What else can we put out there for her, Justin? Let's think.
I'm just finding out Negro Terror is like.
What?
Yeah. What else could she use? What about various plastic
Oh, God.
plastics from around the house?
Various plastics. Is the bird coming back? Oh, here she is. She's back. There she is. She's like, what else can I use around here? She found some more string. Off she goes.
Daddy.
It's a mama bird. She's building a nest. Yeah, she's on the grass. Wonder what she's eating. Wonder what she's after. There she goes.
That's so cool.
Baba,
That was a sentence.
Baba,
What?